Hey everyone, this is Animalist and I'm back with a super quick melody layering tutorial. Okay, so we'll jump straight into Logic and get cracking. Cool, so we're in Logic and I've got a client's track and it sounds amazing. Now my experience tells me that there's room to add one more layer and it's going to blow you away. And every time I do this, it blows me away too. Track sounds incredible, it's mixed beautifully well. Everything's fantastic, but again, that layer is missing. So let's have a listen. Sounds good, right? Sounds powerful, sounds massive, but look what happens when we add this little crappy lead. Now I say crappy lead, it's not a crappy lead, it's just a normal lead, but it just doesn't really sound that amazing, does it? And I could choose a million leads from a million different sound packs, which we'll do in a minute. So insane. Now all I've got on the lead is an EQ and I cut everything around 130 Hertz. Go into the bus channel, LFO tool, 2 blocks down, Mag EQ4, female vocal A setting. Arts acoustic reverb, decay around 2, dry at 6, wet around 0. And that's it. Easy as that. Let's just do a different lead. Go to a different pack. I'm going to select any pack. Now, when I say crappy lead, I'm not saying like that lead is crap. I'm just saying it's just like, it's just a lead. It's nothing special about it. It's not like a big super softened virus or anything like that. Crazy what a difference that made. So yeah, a little quick tutorial there. As always, you can get in touch, tutorials@animalistdj.com, if you'd like to know about my one-to-one lessons, if you'd like to buy some single lessons, or if you want my mixing or mastering service. You can also request any tutorials. And yeah, just a super quick tutorial on how to fill out your leads. And how do you know when to do this? Just experience and just your ears developing over time. So yeah, have a good one and I'll see you in the next video.